Hello everyone, this will be weeks 3 and 4 for the additional items that I will be including in the Christmas junk journal kits that I have available. They are still available, so what I thought I would do is every week that they have not been purchased, I'm going to add additional items to the junk journal kits until someone does purchase them. So I did not get a chance to do a video last week, so I'm just combining weeks 3 and 4 into one video. So for last week, the item would have been this The Night Before Christmas vintage book. So each kit will get one of these, and they are 1970. So they have some great graphics, and some of you may remember this book from your childhood. So both of the kits will get one of these books. Then this will be week 4. So both kits will get some jewelry pieces. This is a pin. I thought it was a button cover. So here's a brooch, a wreath brooch. Here's a poinsettia pin. Here is, I don't know if this is a pendant, but it's a bow. I thought it fit the theme. Then you will get some playing cards with snowflakes. I'm including a coin envelope. Both kits will get a vintage Christmas card. And they will be different. I don't have two of the same, so I will show you the other card in the other kit. I may or may not have included one of these vintage envelopes, but if it's already in the kit, you'll get two. Okay, so this is kind of an interesting piece. It came out of, I guess, Needle and Thread magazine, but it had kind of a Christmas theme on it, so I thought that would be something that would be really cool in a Christmas junk journal. So that's for one kit. The other kit will get the same items, except here's what the vintage card looks like. And this kit will have this pin. And I think everything else is basically the same. Oh, and you will get that. There should be one in the other pack as well. It's probably hiding somewhere. Or I dropped it. But both of the kits will get one of these. Here we go. Okay, so I have created a playlist so you can see all the items each week that will go into the junk journal. So if you want to know what is included, go ahead and watch the videos for each week, including the original video that shows everything that originally was in the junk journal kits. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested, I do have the 2 kits available in my Etsy shop. If you do not have an Etsy account, just comment below. We can go through PayPal if you're interested in one of the kits. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching.